Grand Awakening Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage, check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. It's really great products there. Your word of the day is vitality. What does it benefit you to have your heart's desires and you cannot enjoy it due to poor health? It's time to check on your vitals, your health. Make sure you understand health is wealth. Treat your body like a machine, it shall break down as such. But if you maintenance it and you take care of it just like a car, it will last and drive forever. I am the being of light. I accept my divine energy in my body, and every one of my cells regenerates because I take care of myself. If you feel better, you think better, therefore your lifestyle will become better. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love you too. Be kind to one another. Love yourself, and I love you too.